Hello friends, welcome to Learn English by GB Sir. Today in day 5 of our English practice series. Our practice is how to speak English fluently in daily life. If you want to speak English easily and confidently, this video will really help you. So let's start. Part number 1. Understand what fluency means. Many people think fluency means speaking fast, but that's not true. Fluency means speaking clearly, smoothly, and without stopping too much. Even if you speak slowly, it's okay. What matters is confidence. For example, instead of I go market, say I am going to the market. That's fluent English. Part number 2. Think in English. To speak fluently, first learn to think in English. When you wake up, try to say simple things in English mind. I am brushing my teeth. I am getting ready for school. I am drinking tea. This helps your brain connect thoughts and English word quickly. Part number 3. Use English in daily life. Start using English in your home. Don't wait for others. Speak with yourself. When cooking, I am cutting vegetable. When cleaning, I am wiping the table. When watching TV, I like this show. Use English word with family, even small ones. For example, give me that spoon, open the window. Daily use is equal to daily improvement. Part number 4. English short conversation. Let's repeat together. Repeat after me. Please repeat after me. A said, "Hi, how are you?" B said, "I am fine. What's about you?" A said, "I am good. Thank you. Where are you going?" B said, "I am going to the shop." A said, "Okay. See you soon." B said, "Bye." Practice such small talks daily. Speak loud and clear. Part number 5. Learn useful sentence. There are some daily use sentence. What are you doing? I am watching TV. Please wait a minute. Can you help me? I don't understand. Let's go out. That's a great idea. I am feeling hungry. Don't worry. See you later. Use this sentence every day. They make your English more naturally. Part number 6. Shadow speaking practice. Now, we shall do a shadows practice. Now, we will do a shadow practice. That means repeat exactly what I say with my speed and tone. I wake up early every day. I brush my teeth and take a bath. I go to work and talk to my friends. I try to speak English every day. I am improving my English day by day. Repeat it 2 or 3 times daily. Part number 7. Confidence tip. Don't be afraid of mistake. Listen more English. Your brain will learn naturally. Talk to yourself every day. Record your voice. It helps you notice progress. Remember, fluency grows slowly but surely. That's all for day 5. Now it's your turn. Practice daily and speak confidently. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to Learn English by GB Sir. And don't forget to comment and improve my English. See you in day 6. How to build confidence while speaking English. Bye friends and keep learning English.